because, and somebody gave me this DVD when I was in Charlotte, North Carolina, which I had been looking for it for a long time, just for investigational purposes. But this video, Snoop Dogg, Murder Was the Case. In this video, he basically, well, he doesn't basically, he does depict his death. He died, he was gunned down in Long Beach. And after he was gunned down, the devil came and appeared to him and made a deal with him. The devil said, I'll bring you back to life and make you rich and famous if you promise me your soul. And he made a deal with the devil. This video is his true story. He has a book about it also, where he says this is a true story. Now that's crazy by itself. But look at your neighbor and say, that ain't the worst part. The worst part is the contents of the video. Now on the front he has his life from 1972 through 1994. Calvin Brothers died, and basically Snoop Dogg was resurrected. Sound familiar, don't it? And he's in this video, and during this video, there is this scene where he's laying on a gurney dead. And basically a crow flies into the room. This crow flies into the room and turns into, now crow. Okay, you know, a group of crows they call a murder. Okay, so a crow ain't a happy bird. Crow flies into the room, turns into Jesus Christ. Nail prints, the crown of thorns in the head, nail prints in his hand, standing there looking at Snoop like this. And then all of a sudden, Jesus turns into Satan. And there is a church choir singing the hook of this song, Murder Was the Case, that they gave me. A church choir.
Oh, will I be the G that I was?
I feel like better than you can imagine or even dreamed of. So relax yourself, let me take control. Close your eyes, my soul.
My eyes are closed.
Murder was the case that they gave me.
Right, cause when you start set tripping, that ass is mine, nigga.
Her great proceed to smoke. Never have a want, never have a...
Found out who it is yet, but I'm gonna tell everybody once I find out. We might have to shoot this video again because I ain't going to that church. Well, yeah, I will. I'll go with all this stuff and just get the rebuking and okay. But anyway, church choir singing on the video. I said, "Oh my Lord, look, they're just playing with the death of Jesus." Snoop comes out with a book where he says he is Jesus Christ. Then he's a cussing gangster in a movie called Baby Boy. And at the end, when they get ready to kill him, he said, go ahead and kill me because I've seen everything but Christ. I said, oh my Lord, he playing with the devil.